We are going to add snow to this 3D scanned abandoned truck to create a photorealistic winter scene. For the ground plane, snow will be added as well. Within a new scene, search for truck within BlenderKit. We are going to use the following rubbish truck. I will delete the default cube. Enable viewport shading to visualize the textures of the rubbish truck within the viewport. As we can see, the 3D scan is quite detailed and has sufficient details even for the mechanical components, even though most of the details are present within the texture more than within the geometry. I will start the Real Snow plugin. This is pre-built within Blender, just needs to be activated. I will increase the height to 0.5, select the truck, and click on Add Snow button. Depending on your PC specification, this will take several seconds to process. Keep in mind that the snow is linked to the truck, therefore we can now center the truck, and the snow will follow along. To define the ground plane, we'll add a plane mesh and have it scaled. I will add snow using the same height to the plane as well. That's it. Blender makes it really easy to add realistic snow. The only drawback is that it's quite resource intensive, and if you are using an older PC or laptop, you may find the scene lagging. But if you are mostly using this to obtain a render, this shouldn't be a problem. I encourage you to give this a try and tinker with it using various 3D models. Hope you find this video useful.